Introduce a popular rental LED display screen from Tencent. Its cabinet size is 500 by 500 mm 500 by 1000 mm. Seamless splicing with high flatness. P2, P2.5, P2.604, P2.976, P3. 91, P4.81, P5.95 resolution can be selected. Arc display and maximum support plus or minus 20 degrees. Which can be spliced into artistic wave shapes. Uses ultra-lightweight die-cast aluminum material and one person can raise it. Very easy to install. It can be installed with hanging beams, brackets, etc. And the two sizes of cabinets can be mixed and spliced together. IP65 waterproof grade. Both indoor and outdoor can use. Perfect for small or large rental LED video wall projects such as stage background, wedding party, music festival promotion, exhibitions, etc.